Hi guys, 𝗪𝟰🗧 from Audio Direct, and the beast is finished. Want to see what we've done? Come with me. 4 cameras are now placed on this, and when I tell you that they're of a certain quality, you got to see it to believe it. That's the first one. Second one is here in the wing mirror. It looks absolutely fabulous and absolutely factory. This thing is just a beast, and the fact is Mercedes sell this without even parking sensors. Imagine trying to maneuver this thing with no parking sensors. This particular camera that we've installed, we haven't screwed it into the body, commercial grade 3M. So if it needs to be removed, it can be. Let's step up into the monster. And I'm pretty used to climbing into these things because obviously we got the monster truck ourselves. And you have that fantastic G Wagon logo when you step in, and that's the upgraded screen, the 10.25 inch, and this is the very latest version that's available. Android 10 platform, 4GB processor, 64GB storage, and the thing is a monster. Check out the clarity on that. You can change the vehicle, and our factory is upgrading it all the time. We currently got the Evoque and the Audi, but look at the clarity on this camera. It is ridiculous. It really is. And the amount of options. You actually get a separate toggle wheel that you can scroll through and go through all of the different views. But honestly, it's just, if I put a mobile phone in front of this car, you can actually see it. Look, you can see the number of the bay, you know. This is the highest quality camera. Absolutely fantastic. Wide angle is a bit of an understatement. That's showing you the actual lines on the left and the right. Honestly, I don't even know all the options that this thing has. It's just crazy. And of course you can go into settings as well, and that's your default 3D view. Long press it to close the system down, and there you have the latest running software. You guys have seen this. We do this for tons of vehicles, jumping onto Bluetooth as well. There's so many functions and features: navigation, music, telephone. You can go into the original Mercedes menu there as well, play your videos, download apps on the Play Store. This is actually my favorite. It's the dash. Honestly, it's been an absolute pleasure working on this monster G500, and hopefully we will see a couple more of you guys come through now that we've got the latest camera available for the monster G500.